The orators being arrived, every one, as soon as might be, at the rendezvous of his tribe, gave notice of the hundreds, and summoned the muster, which appeared, for the most part, upon good horses, and already indifferently well armed, as to instance, in one for all, the tribe of Nubia, where Hermes de Caduceo, Lord Orator of the same, after a short salutation and an hearty welcome, applied himself unto his business, which began with the 8th order, requiring that the Lord High Sheriff as Commander-in-Chief and the Lord Custos Rotulorum as muster-master of the tribe, or the orator of the first muster, upon reception of the lists of their hundreds returned unto them by the high constables of the same, forthwith cause them to be cast up, dividing the horse from the foot, and listing the horse by their names in troops, each troop containing about 100 in number, to be inscribed first, second, or third troop, etc., according to the order agreed upon by the said magistrates. Which done, they shall list the foot in like manner, and inscribe the companies in like order. These lists, upon the eve of the muster, shall be delivered unto certain trumpeters and drummers, whereof there shall be 15 of each sort, as well for the present as other uses to be hereafter mentioned, stipendiated by the tribe, and the trumpeters and drummers shall be in the field before the pavilion upon the day of the muster, so soon as it is light, where they shall stand every one with his list in his hand, at a due distance, placed according unto the order of the list, the trumpeters with the lists of the horse on the right hand, and the drummers with the lists on the foot on the left hand, where, having surrounded a while, each of them shall begin to call, and continue calling, the names of the deputies as they come into the field, till both the horse and foot be gathered by that means into their due order, the horse and foot being in order. The Lord Lieutenant of the tribe shall cast so many gold balls marked with the figures 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., as there be troops of horse in the field, together with so many silver balls as there be companies, marked in the same manner, into a little urn, whereunto he shall call the captains, and the captains drawing the gold balls shall command the horse, and those that draw the silver the foot, each in order of his lot. The like shall be done by the conductor at the same time for the ensigns for the ensigns at another urn, and they that draw the gold balls shall be cornets, the rest ensigns. This order may trash the reader, but tends unto a wonderful speed of the muster, to which it would be a great matter to lose a day in ranging and marshalling, whereas by virtue of this the tribe is no sooner in the field than in battalia, no sooner in battalia than called unto the urns, or the ballot, by virtue of the 9th order, whereby the censors, or the orator for the first muster, upon reception of the lists of the 100 from the high constables, according as is directed by the 7th order, are to make their notes for the urns beforehand, with regard had unto the lists of the magistrates, to be elected by the ensuing orders, that is to say, by the first list called the prime magnitude 6, and by the second called the galaxy 9. Wherefore the censors are to put in the middle urn for the election of the first list 24 gold balls with 26 blanks or silver balls, in all 60. And into the side urns 60 gold balls, divided unto each according unto the different number of the horse and the foot, that is to say, if the horse and the foot be equal, equally, and if the horse and the foot be unequal, unequally, by an arithmetical proportion. The like shall be done a second day of the muster, for the second list, save that the censors shall put into the middle urn 36 gold balls and 24 blanks, in all 60, and 60 gold balls in the urns, divided respectively unto the number of the horse and the foot, and the gold balls in the side urns at each ballot are by the addition of blanks to be brought even with the number of the ballot tents at either urn respectively, the censors having prepared their notes, as hath been shown, and being come at the day into the field, shall present a little urn unto the Lord High Sheriff, who is to draw twice for the letters to be used that day, the one at the side urns and the other at the middle. And the censors, having fitted the urns accordingly, shall place themselves in certain movable seats or pulpits to be kept for that use in the pavilion, the first censor before the horse urn, the second before the foot urn, the Lord Lieutenant doing the office of the censor pro tempore at the middle urn, where all and every one of them shall cause the laws of the ballot to be diligently observed, taking a special care that no man be suffered to come above once up unto the urn, whereof it more particularly concerns the sub-censors, that is to say, the overseers of every parish, to be careful, they being each in this regard responsible for their respective parishes, or to draw above one ball, which, if it be gold, he is to present unto the censor, who shall look upon the letter, and if it be not that of the day and of the respective urn, apprehend the party, which for this or any other like disorder is obnoxious unto the Philarch. This order, being observed by the censors, is not possible for the people, if they can but draw the balls, though they understand nothing at all of the ballot, to be out. To philosophize further upon this art, though there be nothing more rational, were not worth the while, because in writing it will be perplexed, and the first practice of it gives the demonstration. Whence it came to pass that the orator, after some needless pains in the explanation of the two foregoing orders, betaking himself to exemplify the same, found the work done unto his hand, for the tribe, as eager upon a business of this nature, had retained unto the surveyors, out of whom, before the orator arrived, they had gotten the whole mystery by a stolen muster, at which, in order unto the ballot, they had made certain magistrates pro tempore, wherefore he found not only the pavilion for this time a tent erected, with 3 posts supplying the place of pillars unto the urns, but the urns being prepared with a just number of balls for the first ballot to become the field, and the occasion very gallantly, with their covers made in the manner of helmets, open at either ear to give passage unto the hands of the ballotants, and slanting with noble plumes to direct the march of the people.